Hello, dear student. Myself, your English teacher Pradeep sir. I welcome class 7th all student of Sunshine English Medium School. Student, we had learned in our previous classes chapter 1 and one poem, and we will begin today new chapter. Okay. So in our previous classes, three question and squirrel we have learned, and we have done all means question answer exercises, and the remaining we will do in our as usual classes when we will come to school. Okay, student, today we are going to begin a new lesson, a gift of chappals. Okay, student. So here I want to tell there is two parts of this chapter, first part and second part. We will practice um, reading, then we will learn this story, this lesson, then we will do exercise in part 1. In part 2 also we will practice reading, and we will learn this lesson, and we will do the exercises. Okay, student. So in this lesson, a gift of chapel, part 1 3 parts, part 2 3 parts. Okay, so part 1 we will begin today our reading. Okay, student. Then I hope you have the e-Pathshala and you have downloaded this lesson, and after I teach, after I give you the lesson, you practice at home. So let us begin our new lesson, a gift of chapels. First of all, we will begin readings. Okay, student, a gift of chapels. First part. You just observe, student, how I am reading. तो dear student, ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଏ ଗିଫ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଚପଲ୍ସର ପାର୍ଟ 1 କେମିତି ରିଡ଼୍ କରାଯିବ ସେଇଟା ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଶିଖେଇବି। ଏଠି ଆମେ ରିଡ଼୍ କରିବା, ତାପରେ ପାଠଟିକୁ ବୁଝି ନେବା, ଆଉ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜକୁ କରିବା ପାର୍ଟ 1ରେ। ସେମିତି ପାର୍ଟ 2ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ରିଡ଼ିଂ କରିବା, ଆଉ ତାର ପାଠଟିକୁ ବୁଝିବା, ପୁଣି ଆମେ ତାର ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ କରିନେବା। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ। ତ ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ିବି, ଭଲରେ ଧ୍ୟାନରେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆଉ ଶୁଣିବେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ତ ଲେଟ୍ସ ବିଗିନ୍। A smiling Rukumani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out, and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey actually, with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. The marks for the two big toes were long and scrawny. Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitter berry bush. There, inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten lapping up milk from a coconut shell. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mewing. Poor thing, said said Mina. It's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave for our Padu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. People are always telling us to be kind to animals. But when we are, they scream, "Oh, don't bring the dirty creature here," said Ravi. Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitten? Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. I told her I am very hungry. I want to drink it. But they but the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Pati, I'll wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. Mahendran? This little kitty's name is Mahendran. Mridu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. Actually, his full name is Mahendra Verma, Pallava Pune, MP Pune, for short if you like. He is a fine breed of cat. Just look at his fur, like a lion's mane. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings was, don't you? She looked expectantly at Mridu. Mridu giggled. Think I am joking? Well, just wait. I will show you sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his tatas, 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 etc., 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 etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is descended from that very same ancient cat. A close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. The Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on, walking around the bitter berry bush, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. This cat is descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. And if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. How he loved the sound of his own voice. Mina and Mridu exchanged looks. What does that have to do with anything? Mridu demanded. I am telling you, this cat is descended from the Egyptian cat god. No, goddesses. Bastet. Yeah, that's it. So, well, one of the descendant of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishika, whose descendant is Ravi flourished his twig and Mahendran. MP Punnai here, whoop, ek, he shrieked, very pleased with himself. Mahendran looked up all round. He had just been sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell, but worse than Ravi's awful whoop ache was a crash from the window. What a weird sound! If Mridu was startled, MP Punai was frightened out of his wits. Hair standing on end, he bounced up and squared toward a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow, he howled miserably. The creaking went on and on. What's that noise? Said Mridu. That's Lali learning to play the violin, grunted Ravi. She will never learn to think. The music master just goes on playing like a train, whistling on and on, while Lali's all the time derailing, going completely off track. Okay, student. So I hope that you have observed very nicely. ମୁଁ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ପଢ଼ୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ଆଉ ଏ ପାଠଟିକୁ ଭଲରେ ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରିଥିବେ। ଆଉ ଯେତେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଏ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯଦି ବୁଝିପାରୁନଥିବେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖ, ଆଉ ଇ ପାଠଶାଲାରୁ ଏ ପାଠଟିକୁ ଓପେନ୍ କର ଆଉ ନିଜେ ରିଡ଼ିଂ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କର। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ you practice reading. Okay, second point is you have to take out the difficult words in your note. Okay, student, you can make English note, you can do it in your rough note or any note. You have to write it, the hard words, hard vocabulary. Okay, first thing you have to read loudly. Second things you have to write the hard words. Third work is you have to write Odia meaning from your dictionary. So you practice these three things. In our next period I will explain this lesson. Okay, part 1. You will enjoy it. बहुत मज़ेदार स्टोरी ଆଉ बढ़िया स्टोरी एटा हमको माने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी। तो रीडिंग करो आउ हार्ड वर्ड लिखो, मीनिंग लिखो, आउ देन यू गेट इनटू माय नेक्स्ट क्लास। ओके, वी विल मीट इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास। सो टेक केयर स्टूडेंट, बाय।